Jesus, I thank you for opening my eyes. Sweet Jesus, I thank you for giving me life. Sweet Jesus, sweet Jesus, I thank you for being sweet Jesus. Everywhere I walk and talk, I feel you. It's like fire, shut up in my bones, trying to fulfill my destiny on earth. When it's all said and done, you can say come home. Lord, I just pray you keep me focused. Distractions coming from every place, keep me rooted, grounded every day. I'm staying faithful cause I wanna see your face. I love to worship and give you praise. Sweet Jesus, sweet Jesus, I thank you for being sweet Jesus. Oh, you are sweet Jesus, you are sweet Jesus. I just gotta tell you thank you. You're sweet Jesus, yeah, yeah, yeah. Sweet Jesus, yeah, sweet Jesus, I thank you for opening my eyes. Sweet Jesus, I thank you for giving me life. Sweet Jesus, you're like a sweet smelling candle. Thinking of you, a breath of fresh air. Relaxing, chillaxing, I'm at peace. Sweet Jesus, no one can compare. At the beach, listening to the water run across shore. It's so peaceful, all my worries are gone. Connection is strong, Lord, I just gotta say that I'm thankful. Sitting back thinking there were times of giving up. Somehow you came and got me out the lost and found. Sweet Jesus, no one can. Oh my gosh. Y'all, the struggle stream, man, my phone is tripping. I told my phone not to hook up to this truck Wi-Fi, and it's just do whatever you want to do. What's up, y'all, man? My phone is not obeying the rules that I am giving it. We starting off with the phone acting crazy. The stream is supposed to be a good stream now, man. Oh my gosh. I don't know what that was about. Let me make sure we got a clean feed. Alright, we good, man. My phone is tripping. So, my laptop is feeding off the Wi-Fi hotspot on my phone. I turned the Wi-Fi off on my phone. It's not supposed to hook up to the truck. When I started my truck up, my phone was like, ooh, I remember this. I'm going to hook up to it anyway. I'm going to do what I want to do. I'm like, man, phone, I told you not to do that. Don't hook up to this trash truck Wi-Fi. It's not good for live streaming. It hooked up to it anyway. I'm like, see, you're not paying attention. You're not following rules over here. I am the maker over here. I tell you what to do, not you, phone. So what's up with y'all, man? What it do, PNB Beats? What's going on, brother? What's going on? Ali in the building. What's up, y'all? What's going on, man? I'm blessed. I'm thankful. I'm great. I'm great. I'm grateful. I'm thankful, man. What's up with y'all, man? How y'all been, man? Y'all good? Y'all straight? It's all good on this end, brother. Up to. Make sure y'all good. Make sure I can talk to y'all. Carry a good conversation. The stream, the struggle over here, bro. All right, let's go. All right. Goodness gracious. What are you doing? Am I good now? Everything straight? Everything want to work right? Because this phone is tripping. This phone keep trying to hook up to this truck Wi-Fi. I don't know why I keep doing that. Goodness grief. All right, I think we good, y'all. Man, Lord have mercy. PNB Beats. What's HNIC, man? Jip Smith FX said, here, let me turn y'all this way. Jip Smith FX said, hey, Corey, what's up? I hope you have a nice and green day. I only was green in one account today. Everything else I lost in, man. I'm going to show you. You tell that phone, brother. I'm the head. Oh! I get it. I'm slow, PNB Beats. I'm so slow. I'm dumb. Man, bro. I got you. Jason said, remember me, bro. How you doing? How's your trade going on? Jason, man, I remember you, man. I'm doing pretty good, man. I am doing pretty good. I'm red in all my other accounts, but as you guys can see, boy, we are almost at the buffer. We almost there. We that close. We almost close, baby. Look how much we made today in the Take Profit Trader 50K funded account, boy. Man, it seemed like I just wanted to keep trading in this Take Profit Trader account because it's hot. It's hot right now, man. The block is hot. The block is hot. It's on fire right now. And I'm trying to catch it while it's on fire right now. You know what I'm saying? Who's to know, like, how many good trades I'm just gonna keep finding? All my trades in the 50K funded Trader 5 straight to funded account. I mean, sorry about that. Forget it. But the only account that worked today was the Take Profit Trader 50K funded account. It seemed like every trade I took in this account, it was green. The 25K straight to funded Trader 5 account, I lost 2 trades in that. I lost 2 trades in the 50K funding ticks funded account. And I lost really big in the trade day eval. I was up $800 yesterday and down $1,200. So I'm down $400 from break even, man. I went heavy today. I went big or go home today, y'all. I normally have a day like that where I try to push these jokers over. Like, try to push them over to the limit, but I still, you know what I'm saying, stay within my risk management and stuff, man. But today, I wanted to push these jokers over today. The only one that could survive was the 50K funded Take Profit Trader account. I took plenty of trades, and this account was on fire today. It's like I want to keep trading in it, because it's like, man, you know, you have them days or them weeks where you just be on the losing streak. Then, you know what I'm saying, you be on the hot streak. This Take Profit Trader funded account is on fire, man. It is on fire. Hold up, y'all. Let me wipe this off. I look blue. All right. What's up, Odd Trades? What's going on, brother? Yes, sir. Ali in the building. What's going on, Ali? Oh, yeah, okay. What's up, Cash? Good to see you, sir. What's up, man? Jimmy Jones in the building. What's going on? He. All good, broski. Get that buffer. PNB Beats. I got you. That was funny. Jimmy Jones said, keep pushing. Yes, sir. Jay Styles in the building. What's going on, man? What's going on, Jay? Jay Styles in the building. Our trade said, dude, daily payouts, no problem. Or anything going against you. Oh, dude. Ever since switching to micros, I've been killing it yesterday, thanks to you. Hey, man. Man, shout out to the crew, man. Hey, we just trying to help you, man. I didn't know you didn't know nothing about micros, man. Shoot. Trade them daggone micros, brother. Minis? Just minis by itself? Nah. But you guys see the account. We pushed this joker today. Jip Smith FX said, I have this new funded next 25K account, and I'm going to slow max $200 daily step by step, but I hope to pass next week with 2 micros. Jip Smith FX, it sure can be done, sir. It surely can be done, man. In my funded accounts, I normally risk no more than about 5 micros. My 5 micros is with 5 micros and a 25-point stop loss is $250. I normally don't try to go over 300, but I try to push them things today, man. I wanted to push it today, and you guys see where I'm at, man. The other accounts I lost in, but we still at a decent spot though. I'ma just try again tomorrow. Ali said micros are the best way to go with these volatile conditions, man. Who you telling, man? Ali also said, oh, okay. PNBB said the micros ease the pressure, broski. Man, who you telling? Cause man, you get into a trade with these minis, it's like you gotta micromanage these jokers, man. It's like, man, man, I'm a little nervous. Trade said, how do I find a list of minis? Micros, you mean? J Styles, okay. So, y'all, I'm getting ready to show you the accounts. I'm just going to show you the accounts right out the gate, man. So, let's go to our Funding Ticks 50K funded account. I pushed it today, y'all. I wanted to push this joker today. The most we've ever made in this Funding Ticks funded account, 50K funded account, is $545.80. Well, and about about 570, 580. I lost $545.80 in this account today. I took 2 trades. I took two $250 trades. I wanted to push it, and you know what I'm saying. The trades just didn't go my way, man. Our trade say, yeah, micros like only have NASDAQ. You can try gold, but I wouldn't advise trading anything that you're not familiar with. Our trades trade with, like, if you used to NASDAQ, trade micro NASDAQ. If you used to trade in gold, trade micro gold. You used to trade in oil, trade micro oil. If you used to trade in the Dow US 30, then trade micro US 30, man. Like, trade whichever instrument you feel comfortable with. But those are a few that I used to trade with YM. I'm thinking about getting back in it again, but it seemed like NASDAQ and YM move the same to me, so there's no point. I'm looking for something totally different that move on its own time or its own schedule. Not something like NASDAQ. I need something totally different. But I normally trade micro gold, micro NASDAQ, micro US 30, and micro. I used to trade micro Russell 2000, but I don't really fool with that no more because I like gold better. So micro NASDAQ, micro gold, micro YM, and probably I don't really feel safe with oil because I don't know nothing about no oil. I'll probably say, shoot, what I got on my list right here? What's on my list? Yeah, just my NASDAQ, YM, and gold. That's it. That's all I really trade. I just been looking here and there at YM, but I haven't pulled the trigger yet. But I like YM. It just looks similar to NASDAQ to me. It really ain't no point. I trade said for micros, no other chart. How do I find other pairs with micros? I trades, write this down, man. I trades for NASDAQ is MNQ. For gold, it's it's MGC for gold. And shucks, I forgot YM. I think it's MYM for US 30. If you want to try those out, try them out, man. For micros, micro NASDAQ, which is for micro NASDAQ is MNQ, for gold is MGC, and for US 30 is MYM. And you could trade US 30 with like 50 cents per tick. That's crazy. But let me get off that, man. This what we focused on right here, baby. Can I draw right here? No, I can't. Dang. We right here, baby. Oh yeah. J Styles was okay, that's a J Styles. What up, T Beezy? What's going on, brother? How much you need for the payout? So T Beezy, if you look right here, I'm currently at $51,322.50. In order to start requesting daily payouts, I have to have this Take Profit Trader 50K funded account at 52,000. Anything after that I can request. So say for instance, like tomorrow I make $700, then I'm going to stop trading. And then maybe the next day I'll trade. If I make $500 and it's above 52,000, just say for instance, if I make after I make 700 tomorrow or something, and then the next day I make $500, if the account is at 52,000, anything after that I can request a payout. So that means if Thursday I have after my trading day, if I have $52,500, I can request that $500 because it's over the buffer. Anything after $52,000 is mine, so I'm going to request that. I don't care if it's $100. I don't care if it's $50. I don't care if it's $215. I don't care if it's $193. I'm requesting all of it. And then, after I request it, after you request a payout, after anything after the buffer, which is $52,000, if I were you, I would build. After you request it, it stays in your wallet. So after the money is in your wallet, it's yours. It doesn't disappear. It doesn't go to outer space. After you request that payout, it stays in your wallet, because you have to have a certain amount in there for you not to get charged so much. Like if it's below $250, then you need to, any money that you make, put it into your wallet after that buffer and build that wallet up. Then that way when you request a payout, it's above $250. I think anything after $250, you're not gonna get double taxed. That was a lot. Let's see. Cave Trader, what's going on, man? Let's go, baby. Yes, sir. You already know what time it is, man. I was trying to pass them quick. Jay Styles, who you telling, man? I be trying to pass these evals fast. Man, that trade day 50K, the trade day 50, man, get out of here. Get out. Get out. Get out of here. Get out. Get out. I'm finna get this fly, dog. You better fly out of here. So that 50K trade day funded, the 50K trade day eval, I made $800 yesterday. Today I lost $1,200. So it's like all that money I made, I lost, and then on top of that, I'm below $50,000. So we have that account at $49,600. But I've seen quick turnarounds before, man. So I'm not even tripping. We'll just come back better tomorrow, man. But the most I can make is $900 though. So I'm looking to try to make the max every time, man. I'm looking to aim for the max that I can make with that 30% consistency rule of $900. So tomorrow, hopefully I can make $900. Then that'll put the account back above like $50,400. That's my game plan. I'm not playing with these evals no more, man. I'm just gonna find the setup and I'm going for it, man. I got funded accounts already. I'm good, man. I'm pushing it over. Everybody can talk about me whether they want to or not, but hey, I'm driving and you better not be in the way. That's where I am, man. Man, we're gonna talk about these trades though, man. You see the account, y'all. I'ma show y'all how I trade. I found a new way and it's working for me, y'all. I sucked last time trading this 50K funded Take Profit Trader account. As you guys can see, I'm doing so much better, man. I'm good now, man. That's because I'm taking my base hits. I'm aiming for like 1-to-1s and 1-to-2s only. I'm not aiming for anything higher because I'm trying to reserve my intraday trailing drawdown. I think I've mastered how to do this. It's just whether the trades go my way or not, y'all. Requesting everything, it don't hurt nobody, not even the drawdown. Man, my game plan is to stay above that 52,000, and anything after that, I'm requesting it to put in my wallet. TBZ, do you have a payout cut like 80-20 or 90-10? I think it's 90-10, TBZ, if I'm not mistaken. No, I think it's 80. I'm not for sure. Don't get me lying. I don't know. It's been so long, man. I'm just looking to get payouts. I ain't caring about no cut. Hey, if I get $500 over the buffer and I request that, I don't care if I get 400. I'm fine. Put that in my wallet, please. And then I'm going to request that to come into my bank account. Yes, sir. Can't go broke taking a payout, man. Who you telling on cash? I'm taking my money. I'm so excited about this, y'all. This has been one of the hurdles that I've been fighting with this Take Profit Trader account, man. I'm finna get over the hump, man. Bull Breaker, what's up? 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 Ain't that Martin, y'all? Martin, he's the man. Martin, what's up? The E-valve is the cost of the withdrawal. Take the money. Yes, sir, man. But right now, guys, I can't do no withdrawal right now. I have to have the account at $52,000. After I get $52,000, then any trades after that I make money, I'm going to be making a payout request. I'm going to show you guys the process. I know how Take Profit Trader works, so we're going to be doing a live payout request once we get there. I'm gonna show y'all how it's done and everything, y'all. I've seen it before and I know how it works, so I'm ready, y'all. We made bank today in this account, man. We went bananas. We went heavy today, y'all. I'm like, oh, it's go mode, baby. It's go mode, man. What y'all talking about? Can't you make enough to make it break even, then make 900 on top of that? TBZ, you might be right, man. Hey, you might be right, but I want my money and I need it now. I don't care what I make. Anything after that buffer, I'm requesting, man. It has to be it has to be above 52,000 though. In order for you to get a payout request, it needs to be at 52,000 or above. Josh the strategist, what's up, Josh? What's going on, man? Man, you took a 6K payout from Take Profit Trader last week. Man, golly. Hey, so I'm happy for you, Josh, but check this out. Send that favor, send that blessing over here, man. Come on over here, Josh. Yes, sir. Whatever you got, whatever you doing over there, bring it on me, man. I'm sucking all the air in. Give it to me, baby. Yes, sir. No homo. No diddy. That's what's up, man. What's going on, Dylan? Good to see you, Dylan. What's up, brother? I don't care about no cut, man. I ain't caring about no cut. Give me my money, man. What's going on, Dylan? I see you. PNBB said, nah, bro, let that market hold something, man. I ain't letting you hold jack in the New Jack City. Oh no. Nope, I want my stuff. You're next in line. I appreciate it, Josh, man. Whatever you got over there, Josh, send it to me, man. Yeah, Josh, in Jesus' name. Yes, sir. Sending that energy your way, big dog. I appreciate it, big homie. Yes, sir, man. Whatever you got, bring it over here. You know what I'm saying? Whatever you're seeing in the charts, bring it over here. All right, now. You're getting them payouts. You got a 6K payout. Bring that over. No, that's gay. I'm sorry. No, I'm not finna say that. I was finna say, DC on flat. Bring that A over here, boy. No, I'm married. He married. No, we're not finna do that. Yeah, I gotta catch myself sometimes, man. Sometimes I just say stuff off the wall and then I have to catch myself. It sounds a little zesty. No, we ain't zesty over here. No, we're not doing that. Yeah. That PNBB said somebody grab holy water. That's funny, man. Good to see you, Dylan. Yes, sir, man. All right, man. Now that I'm having a little fun, man, I'm finna show you guys the accounts where they're at, man. Right now, the 50K funded ticks funded account is at $50,018.30. We lost $545.80 in that account today. I'm trying to push it over, y'all. It's time for me to step on the gas a little bit, and I'm gonna keep applying that pressure. It is what it is, man. But I stay within my risk management, though. I normally don't like to lose no more than $300 a day. I took two $250 trades today. That is the max amount that I'm willing to trade. But the max amount I was willing to lose today was about 500. It's all good. I can make this back tomorrow. So I'm not tripping. I'm now risking $250 out the gate each trade, man. If I see a setup right out of the gate, I'm taking it. It's all good, man. We'll come back better tomorrow. Next, we took 2 trades in this straight to funded 25K funded account. I took 2 trades in this. I took 2 $150 trades. It didn't go my way. It's all good. I'm not tripping. But the max that I can make in this is $300. So it's like whatever money I make, if I take a trade tomorrow in this account, I'll be back where I was today before I took the trades at $25,500. So it's all good. I can make that back tomorrow. I'm not tripping. All right. So I don't have the trade day account logged in yet. Remember I told you guys I probably won't keep posting that account, you know what I'm saying, because I'm just trying different strategies and stuff, man. We were green yesterday in this account in that trade day 50K eval. We've lost $1,200 today, so that account is at $49,600. I'll just come back better tomorrow, man. It's all good. I'm not tripping. But the account that we gonna talk about today is this Take Profit Trader 50K funded account, man. Oh yeah. Our trade said baptize the Lord. I'm dead, broski. Hey man, yeah, I had to catch myself, y'all. But let's look into these trades right quick, man. First trade that we took in this 50K funded Take Profit Trader account was in gold, if I'm not mistaken. Get rid of that. I think I took it in gold. I thought I did, didn't I? I didn't take it in gold. Oh, I took it last night. Ooh, I took a gold trade last night in this Take Profit Trader 50K funded account. This was the trade that I saw. Get rid of that. So last night at about 9 p.m. at about 10 p.m. last night, I saw this, y'all. At about 10 p.m. What is that? Bam! Simple. I'm keeping it simple out here, man. Bam! And we just keep wedging up, man. I saw that last night. I said, this thing is finna keep pumping again, man. I saw that the market was creating, getting small within this triangle. It's getting tight in this room, man. Or I feel claustrophobic, but sooner or later, I'm finna pop out of here. It popped on up out of there, y'all. Hold up. I gotta clock back in for work, y'all. I hope this stupid phone don't try to get in on the Wi-Fi, man. Oh my gosh. This stupid phone keep trying to hook up to this truck Wi-Fi, man. Messing up my stream. Y'all hold up, man. I got to clock back in for work for this lunch. I don't know how to turn this stupid Wi-Fi off in this truck, man. My phone keep trying to hook up to it. Big dumb. Messing up my stream, man. Y'all hold up right quick, man. My seat is hot. Turn this freaking seat warmer off, man. You out your mind. Alright, we clocking back in from lunch. Alright. Denzel style. Jake! Hey, Jake! Now, I promise to love you forever. That I will promise to give you kisses and hugs, and I will rub your feet, and I will drink your bathwater. Denzel Washington style, baby. I gotta hold on to this laptop for dear life so it just don't fall over. I should park in that shade right there. You know what I am, man. We feeling slim shady today. Please stand up. Yeah, we parking in the shade today. We bougie. We bougie today. We found a little piece of shade. We're gonna park in this little itty bitty small piece of shade right here. Alright, we in the shade, baby. Alright. And my phone didn't hook up to the truck Wi-Fi. Thank goodness. Alright. Alright, what y'all talking about? Is trade day daily payouts the same as take profit trader? Yes, sir, it is. iTrades, same exact thing, man. You can get daily payouts. I don't know whether the split is 80-20 or 90-10. Like I said, it don't matter to me, man. You take your little cut, because I know you got to get your little cut, but I want my money. Run me my ducats. That melt, though, yeah, man, that melt was crazy, man. It's all good, though, man. That melt was bananas, though. All right, let me get back into the trade, y'all. So this is, I gotta get comfortable, man. So I'm gonna show you guys what everybody I'm assuming is here for, how I do this take profit trader 50K funded account, man. So I today only aim for 1-to-1s. I risked $250 per trade with a 25 to a 50 point stop loss, and I aim for a 1-to-1. I'm only aiming. If I risk it and I see the market giving me my money that I risked, I'm taking it. And then I'll just wait to find another setup. The longer I keep holding the trades, the more it could possibly go against my intraday trailing drawdown, man. That's why I'm not holding any trades, man, when it comes to this take profit trader. I'm not holding no trades, man. The most I'm aiming for is a 1-to-1 or a 1-to-2. That is max. So this is what I was looking at. Last night, I saw that the market came and touched this supply and demand zone, honestly. And so it wicked this demand zone right here. As you guys can see, the red candle, this red candle right here, and it wicked that red candle, and it finished above the red shaded area. That gave me indication that the market wanted to continue up. So I wanted to wait. I wanted to make sure. So the market steady. It went up, then it came back down, and then it touched this white line. I said, yes, sir, I'm in there. This is a flag going to the upside. So after I saw the market started to slowly break out of this, I put a 6-point stop loss. This was a 6-point stop loss, and I aimed for a quick 1-to-1. Self-explanatory right there, y'all. Y'all see it. That's all I was aiming for, was a 1-to-1. This was about a $240 trade, I think. Cause with gold, it don't give me exactly $250. It gives me about $240. Jay Styles said Intraday about screwed me. It froze up when I was in the trade and couldn't get out of it. Oh, I hate that, Jay Styles. I hate that, man. That's why sometimes I like to watch it, and then, you know what I'm saying? That's why I set my stop loss at a certain point. I set my take profit at a certain point, and if anything happens to mess up, you know what I'm saying, I got my point set and I'm good. Give me my money, man. Give me my money, man. Hey, you better run me my money, man. And if you don't, I'm coming after you, man. You better think twice about this, man. Run me my money. So this was the first trade last night, y'all. This was a very excellent trade last night. I took that 1-to-1. That's all she wrote. Hold up, y'all. Let me go into let me do this. I'm going to show you guys my intraday trailing drawdown, where it's at right now. Let's go to Intraday. After I get done doing all this, I'm going to show you guys my my intraday trailing drawdown. Alright, I'm logged into Intraday right quick. I'm getting ready to show you guys my other trades that I took. Oh yeah, the intraday trailing drawdown still looking good, baby. Alright, so let me turn this back on over here. We're gonna move this over here. Y'all already done seen that. Alright, let me turn my screen back on. Bam. Alright. So now we are getting ready to go to NASDAQ. I was running it up, boy, man. I was finding setups out of the woodwork, man. Where is it at? Where is it at? All right. So this happened this morning, y'all. These setups are really quick, just right out the gate quick, man. So this was the second trade that I took right here, man. So I noticed last night that we had one touch, we almost had another touch, we had a third touch. So this third touch, guess what? That gave me indication. This gave me indication that the market still wanted to sell off, because what's happening right here? We're creating, oh shoot, hold up, let me redo this. What's happening, y'all? Lower low, lower low, lower low, lower low. This keeps giving me indication that the market wants to keep going down. The market just keep breaking structure. We broke structure, we broke structure, we broke structure, and we broke structure. So when we got up here, this gave me indication that the market wanted to sell off. I was looking for a small bounce back. After that small bounce back, I'm getting in. And as you guys can see, we ended up making a successful trade right here. This was the bounce back that I was talking about. Let me zoom in a little bit. So after we got this, well, considered to me a third touch, because we had a touch right here. We had that touch. We had almost a touch here, which is good enough for me. And then we had a third touch. Third touches and fourth touches for me gives me indication the market wants to continue in that way. Right now, the market is respecting this white line, this white trend line that I got drawn out. So guess what? I'm getting in for a sale, but I need a very small pullback, man. And this is what I got. So I started seeing, I saw green, I saw red, I saw green, I saw 1, 2, 3, 4 green. I saw 1, 2, 3, 4 red candles. And then after I saw this green candle right here, after I saw that green candle, I seen some type of rejection a little bit, and the market wanted to try to come up just a little bit. And because we just hit this trend line, after we hit the trend line, what happens? After touch 1, we drop. After touch 2, almost, we drop. After touch 3, what does that tell me? We're going to end up dropping. So after I got the small little pullback, we're not going to touch this line no more, I'm assuming, because every time we touch this line, we always drop. So that's 3 drops for me. So after I seen this third touch, after seeing what happened over here, after this third touch, we dropping. So I seen this small little pullback right here, boom, I'm in there. And market ended up giving me my full TP. This was a $250 trade. This trade right here. Let me delete that. Let me delete that. Let me delete that. And let me delete that. This trade right here, beautiful trade. $250 trade. I'm not aiming for no 1,000, wow, no 500, no 750. I want it 1-to-1 because I want to reserve and keep my intraday trailing drawdown. It sucks because I want to let it run, but I told you I'm going to do things differently in order for me to get payouts. I want daily payouts from Take Profit Trader. I messed up last time because I would let trades run for like maybe an hour to 30 minutes, and it would always have some type of pullback. So look at this pullback right here, y'all. Had I let this trade, there was a zone down here, all the way down here. This white line you see, I wanted the market to come touch this. So had I traded my old ways, I would have held this trade and would have took none of those profits. I would have let it try to hit all the way down here to this white line. That's been my problem trading this intraday trailing drawdown account. That's why I don't trade like that no more. I'm aiming for either 1-to-1s or 1-to-2s. Every trade that I'm risking right now is $250. Once I see the market give me my money back that I just risked, I'm taking the profits and I'm gonna get out of there and I'm gonna just wait to find another setup. So I don't like letting trades run no more when it come to this. So far it's working. Ever since I've changed to this method, it has worked for me. You want to know why? Look what's happening. I took like 4 trades and a break even. So, and I didn't like what I saw. That's the very last trade. But you see, whatever I'm doing is working. Look, whatever I'm doing must be working. I made almost $800 today. Must be working. Hey, I'm doing something right. So this trade was done. Get rid of that. So this trade happened at about 3:45. As soon as I woke up in the morning, I woke up at about 4:30 in the morning. Normally when I wake up, I talk to God for a little bit. Then I look at my phone, see what the market doing. And as soon as I was getting ready, dressed and stuff, I saw this first of all, I drew this trend line. I saw this third touch point, and it's almost like as soon as I opened up my phone, I seen the setup and got right in there and it hit TP. Another good trade, baby. So far, that's almost 490 bucks. So last night's trade with gold, and then this trade ended at about 5:10 in the morning before I even was getting ready to go in for work. So 2 good trades right before I got into work, man, on gold and NASDAQ. So far, that's 2 for 2. Me just taking 1-to-1s, man. Beautifully, it was an excellent execution trade, man. Or it was beautifully executed. What y'all talking about? What is the lowest drawdown for take profit trader 50K account? It's $2,000, Suave. Suave, what's going on, Suave Beats? What's good, brother? Good to see you, man. $2,000 for the total drawdown. You can't go below $2,000. That's evalve and funded. Well, no, the intraday trailing drawdown follows you. So you have to, you know what I'm saying? You do use that at your own risk. But it's 2,000 starting out. Just use your code for trade day, my boy. T Beezy, man. Shout out to you, man. Thank you so much, brother. Man, shout out to T Beezy, y'all. If you guys didn't know that I am an affiliate with Funding Ticks and Trade Day. Funding Ticks have 50K funded accounts for I like to do 50K funded accounts. You can do straight to funded. You can do anything you want. But Funding Ticks is end of day. They have accounts right now for like, I think about 69 bucks or something like that. So if you want to buy a Funding Ticks account with them, use my code PhoneTrader, all caps. I do have an affiliate code with Funding Ticks now, man. Use code PhoneTrader, all caps, if you want to account with them. The only thing about Funding Ticks, man, Funding Ticks is just like Top Step. They don't have activation fees though, but as far as like getting payouts and stuff, you have to get at a buffer of $52,000, and then you can only draw half of your money, which is not bad. I would rather want all my money, but you know what I'm saying, it teaches you to, you know what I'm saying, trade wisely, and you know what I'm saying, it gives you a little bit of money left in there to keep trading. The only thing I got to do is once I'm at $52,000 with a 50K Funding Ticks account, once I get to 52,000, I can withdraw $1,000. The split, they get $100, so that means I get a $900 payout, and then the account should be back at 51,000. Only thing I got to do is work my way back up to $52,000 again and draw another payout. I like their structure better than Top Step. I kind of like that better, and they're also cheaper. You could be all in for almost $70, no activation fee, with a evalve, and then once you pass it, you don't have to pay no activation fee. All in for about 70 bucks, man. It's nice, man. It's other prop firms better than Top Step. I ain't fooling with Top Step no more. So it is what it is, man. With Trade Day, I just bought a evalve with them. I was up like 900 some, 800 some dollars yesterday, but I lost all my profits. I lost like $1,200 today. I'm trying to push it over the edge, man. I was trying to push it. You see where the pushing got me? The pushing got me here. So I tried it with all my accounts today. I had a push mindset. Push until something happens. P-U-S-H. I told myself I was going to push these jokers today. One survived. The other 3 didn't. But it's all good. All the accounts are still manageable. They're still all good, man. But if you want an account with Trade Day, use my code PhoneTrader, all caps. They are exactly like Take Profit Trader. The eval stage is different. With Take Profit Trader, 50K eval. I'm using 50Ks because that's what I like to trade. 50K Take Profit Trader eval is end of day, but you can pass it in 2 days. With Trade Day 50K eval, it's end of day, but you have to trade for 5 days in order to pass. Not a bad thing. From 2 to 5, it's all good, man. Maybe you need to take your time. You know what I'm saying? It's all good. Also, when you get to the funded stage with 50K Take Profit Trader funded account, it goes to intraday. And you have to be above the buffer in order to get a payout, and you can get a daily payout. That's self-explanatory, but they're intraday. With Trade Day, though, if you pay an extra $13 with the 50K end of day account when you first buy, if you pay an extra $13 with Trade Day, you get end of day funded daily payouts. I repeat, when you buy a 50K Take Profit Trader account, it's going to cost you about $102, and then once you get funded, there's no activation fee. Perfect. It's also intraday though. But with Trade Day, if you buy a 50K end of day and not intraday, the intraday is like $69, but with no activation fee. If you like intraday, trade intraday. You save $32. But if you want an intraday end of day daily payouts, 50K funded account, use my code PhoneTrader, baby. All caps, man. Instead of intraday, you can have end of day daily payouts, man. I love Trade Day, man. It's just I got to get there first. But we're going to get there eventually, man. CP Trader in the building. What's going on, sir, man? Shout out to CP Trader. He allowed all this to happen, man. CP Trader blessed us with the laptop so we can live stream during lunch, baby. Instead of from my phone, we can do it from a laptop. Shout out to CP Trader with the M1 chip Apple laptop. Shout out to you, CP. That TPT account is looking really nice. Oh, yeah, sir, it is. Let me show you again. It's looking real beautiful, baby. Oh, yeah, man. It's looking real nice. I'm going to finish the trades that I took, y'all. Let me read the comments, though. That's how I be trading, just 1-to-1. Suave, I think I cracked the code, man. I'm only taking 1-to-1s and 1-to-2s, man. Shout out to TBZ again for using the code, man. How many contracts on gold? So it all depends on the way you trade. If I'm trading micros and I only want to risk $250 per trade, it's going to be 4 micros with a 6-point stop loss. I don't know how people do their stop losses. I look for trades where I can use a 6-point stop loss. With a 6-point stop loss, you have to do your own math. But if I'm trading with a 6-point stop loss and I want to risk $250, it doesn't give me $250. It'll give me $240 with 4 micros. If I want to risk on an eval with gold, $500, like I normally do all my evals, I risk $500 per trade. It's going to be 8 micros. 8 micros is $480 with a 6-point stop loss. You can do 9 micros, which is $540. But I'll take that 480 just to be sure. So it depends on your stop loss, man. You'll have to kind of do the math yourself, Suave. Good to see you, Suave. They told me they paying you with them lemon pepper tenders. TBZ. If I see that dude again and he talking about paying me with some wings and some tenders, I'm gonna look at him. I'm gonna take me a bite and I'm gonna appreciate it. Then I'm gonna throw that tender right back at his noggin, right there in the smack of his forehead, trying to pay me with some tenders and some wings. Better get out of here. You can get to my funded futures accounts and get a payout faster with them than Top Step. That is true. That's why I don't trade with Top Step anymore. I trades is because my funded futures is way better to me than Top Step. Also, funding ticks is better than Top Step. Top Step, I think, is just falling off. That's just my personal opinion. I know people who still trade with Top Step. They are the GOATs. They've been in the game a long time. But I'm on a budget over here, and I gotta, whatever my money say, that's where I gotta go. You know what I'm saying? If I got $1, which gas station I'm gonna go to get a drink? Whoever cheaper. Hey, if this gas station got a little dollar drink over here, you know what I'm saying, with tax, or I can go to the Dodge store. I can go to the Dodge store and get me a slush for 89 cents and a huge big old cup of slush. You can have my money versus going to the daggone gas station where the 20-ounce drinks is almost like $2.99. Where I can go to the Dodge store and get me a slushy. I can get me a Route 89 cup, man, for $1. Go where your money is. Hey, I like to use my money where I can multiply it and make it bigger. I like to get the maximum I can out of my money. Top Step is my last option cost-wise and odds. It's the last of the earth. If it was the last people on earth as a prop firm, I won't be using them. I'll go out here and rake leaves and blow grass and power wash somebody driveway or car or something like that. And I'll just put my money in a live account before I use Top Step again. Nevertheless, so let's get into the last trade that gave me a good profit, man. This trade right here gave me a little bit of profit. I broke even almost. But what did I tell you guys about this, man? Check this out. So I drew this line. We had one touch, almost a second touch, third touch, and a fourth touch. What happens every time the market touches this line? What happens? We sell off. Self-explanatory. When did I take this trade? I took this trade at 7:15. I took 3 trades before New York session. I took a trade last night in Asian, and I took 2 trades in London. Beautiful setup, man. I can't make this up, man. I was finding the setups in this account, man. With the other accounts, I was trying to do something similar, but shoot, I was trying to catch the bounce backs, man. But the bounce backs didn't work. I should have took all the trades that I took in my Take Profit Trader with this account, but it's all good. But what did I tell y'all, man? I drew this trend line. Every time it touched the daggone trend line, what happens? Sell off. I got one trade right here, and I got another one right here. This one I went in early. I said, oh yeah, what happens every time it touched this trend line? Sell. So I got in about right there where you see my red positioning at. Yes, I got in. It started to go down a little bit. And then it came right back up just a little bit. It came and touched that trend line once again. It touched that trend line one more time. If I zoom in, you'll see we got a touch here. We got one touch here. And then I got in at about this red candle right here. I got in when it pulled down a little bit. To be honest, I expected some type of pullback a little bit, which was crazy. I said, nope, I'm going to wait for another re-entry. Because I knew if I enter here and it was going to pull back up and might stop me out to come grab this liquid zone up here, I'm going to wait. The crazy thing was, I'm glad I waited, man, because it didn't stop me out because my stop loss was all the way up here. I had a 50-point stop loss, y'all. I risked almost about $250 on this trade. So I waited for that third touch. I waited for that touch again, and then I'm sorry, I take that back. I didn't see that. So after I saw the market had that pullback and it was this candle right here. I'm so sorry, y'all. I'm wrong. That was my mistake. After I saw it almost trying to touch that trend line again, that's when I got in. I got in right where you see the positioning at, and the crazy thing is it did a third touch within the small little time frame. We had almost touch 1, almost touch 2, and a touch 3, and then it finally sold off. And guess what I aimed for? You see that right there? I aim for a 1-to-1, but I always put it at 1.1 to cover fees and taxes and all that type of stuff, man. Played out beautifully, y'all. Played out perfectly. This right now put me at, this trade right here put me at about 750. How much was that, man? I gotta do the math. This trade right here put me at, so that was 490 plus 250. This trade right here put me at $740. 3 trades in a row, baby. 3 trades in a row. Yes, sir. So I was like, you know what? Let me see if I can get in one more time because I'm hot. Normally, when I have these accounts that's hot and every trade that I'm taking is going, I stay on. People call me crazy, but it's like, dude, you ought to be trading for the day, man. You trading too much. You just never know when you're going to have days like this. I'm 3 for 3. In my head, I'm 3 for 3. Now, tomorrow, I could lose all my trades. So, I normally like to ride it while it's hot. This take profit trade of 50K funded account is hot right now. The crazy thing was, y'all, my funding ticks, I lost 2 trades in that. My Trader5 straight to funded 25K account, I lost 2 trades in that. Those accounts is just up, it's up and down. But it's rare that I catch 3 trades in a row. It's rare that I do that, man. And normally I like to stop after like 1 or 2. I took 3 or 4 today. I told you I was going to push these jokers today, man. So I said, you know what? I'm finna mash the gas. It's hot right now. You know what I'm saying? That water boiling, you know what I'm saying? Time to put them ramen noodles in there. Cook them bad boys, man. You know what I'm saying? If the stove is hot, I'm finna keep putting food in there while I'm hungry. I'm gonna keep feeding that joker. You know what I'm saying? I got a lot of firewood got to be burnt up, man. And the fire's getting ready to go out. I'm finna throw gasoline on it because it's doing good. That's just the way I trade, and that's how I do things, man. Because I know I'm not gonna win trades like this all the time. This is very rare for me to catch like 2 or 3 setups in a row. I'm finna ride it while it's hot, baby. Man, you should have woke me for London. I had a sale set up and fell asleep. I'm getting back into leaving trades overnight. Gold loves to move during night now. Ever since we got out of that summer crap, gold loves to move at night. And I'm getting to a point, only with end of day. I will not do an intraday account with no overnight trade. It's all good. Are you ever worried about not getting a setup on NASDAQ or any pair and getting billed? Yes, I am, and I will push it over. Say, for instance, if I got 3 days to get an account funded, if I got 3 days in order to get this account funded, I could either do the rebuild or, you know what I'm saying, I could try to blow the account and then buy another account somewhere else that's cheaper. But yes, there has been times where I had 2 days left in order to get funded and I needed $500 and then blew it. And I tried to get it all back. Actually, it was with that My Funded Futures account before that got rebuilt. I only needed $500 more in order to get funded, and I had 2 days left to get funded, and I need $500. I lost $500, gained another $500 back, gained that same money back, lost it, gained some back, then lost it, and I just blew the account, man. I should have told myself, Corey, you got 2 more days, but once I'm in the mojo, I just go for it, man. It might be stubborn, but I just go for it, bro. Eat, love, pray, grow. What's up? I know that's right. Nice execution of your trades, man. Man, I found some good setups, man. Shout out to Connor and Stephanie, my coaches, man, that taught me the trend line, the wedges, and the flags on gold, man. And I did nothing but take those same type of trades on gold to NASDAQ. NASDAQ likes to do the same thing. It's just NASDAQ moves a lot crazier. Y'all hear that truck? Golly, that's loud, man. But man, I just took the same method over here to NASDAQ, but I have to have a tighter stop loss with NASDAQ because NASDAQ like to be fruit ninja slice. But this was beautiful execution, man. So I didn't do nothing but follow the trend line. The trend is your friend. And I took that third setup. That third setup gave me $740. And so I looked at the higher time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we hit that bottom on last Friday. This is the bottom on Friday when Trump came out with that news about tariffs. This is where the market was. Let me go to the 4-hour time frame just to show y'all. Probably the 1 hour is better. But last Friday was the tariff news, and then we pumped up, and then we didn't do nothing but come back, and we filled that gap. This was the gap that was filled right here after that Trump news. We didn't do nothing but come down and fill that gap. So I knew that there was a reversal coming. Now the market is finna pump. We either gonna tomorrow, come Wednesday, we're gonna consolidate in here, or we're gonna keep pushing to fill up that whole gap when Trump came out with that news. So we got two options. We got trades to look for within this consolidation, or we look for a pump to come up here and fill this gap and create new higher highs again. But I don't think tomorrow on Wednesday we're going to do that. I think tomorrow we're probably going to consolidate because, man, for the last 3 days, we have been moved. The market has been moving crazy. I believe there's a consolidation day coming. I believe if any moves is going to happen, it's going to happen in Asian or it's going to happen in New York session. That's just what I believe, man. Probably at the beginning of New York when the market opened, it was going to happen in Asian session. That's my analysis and that's my thesis of how I think the market going to move. The market can totally do something else. But yeah, man, we ended up hitting that we ended up hitting that spot. We ended up filling that gap, and I knew a reversal was coming. So I was scared to get in because I wanted to see what happens at this trend line. I was getting ready to get in for a buy right here, but I didn't take it because I got scared, man. And I'm like, I'm already 3 for 3, man. Just wait for another good setup. Had I took that setup, guess we would have been at? We would have had another 1-to-1. But I did not take that though. I wanted to wait. So I noticed we was coming up to the 5-minute time frame, the 200 EMA. We're coming up to the 200 EMA. So I took like 2 trades within here, 2 break evens. And so those break evens, after that third trade, after that third bounce right here, we had the trade in gold last night. Then we had trade 1 and trade 2 in the London session. That put me at $740. All this mesh and slush right here ended up finally putting the account. I made $52 within all that trash trading right there, all that mesh, and then it finally broke out. But had I just held it, you know, it would have did good. But I was already 3 for 3 and was nervous. I didn't want to really. I was crazy to take the trade. Like I said, I want when I'm hot, when one account is hot, I keep going. But all that slushy in there, all that snow and ice right there, man, I'm like, I shouldn't have took that. But after breaking even twice, I finally put the account at $51,322.50, y'all. We made $792 on 5 trades today. That is all my trades I took, guys. It's all my trades, man. Now I'm getting ready to show you my intraday trailing drawdown, man. If you guys don't mind, before I do that, make sure you guys like the video. If you're brand new, make sure you subscribe to the channel, man. Click that notification bell, man. I just show you guys my trades and my analysis and what I think and how I trade, man. That's how I trade my intraday trailing drawdown 50K funded take profit trader accounts by only aiming for 1-to-1s. If I risk $250 and the market gets to $250, I wait till it get right above it a little bit so it can cover fees, and then I move my stop loss to that $250, and then it might come stop me out or keep going. I'm doing nothing but trailing it. It stopped me out. I got my 1-to-1, and I get to save my intraday trailing drawdown. This way of trading has made me a better trader when trading intraday trailing drawdown accounts, man. I'm a way better trader doing this now. Before, I would hold trades forever, aiming for 1 to 3s and 1 to 4s, and I know the market is going to pull back, but I would let the pullback come, and then by that time, my intraday trailing drawdown is in bad shape. So I'm learning to take those base hits and then get out and take the money and then wait for another setup, man. So if I see the market is going to continue going up, there has to be a pullback. So I'm getting out before the pullback happens. And then when I see the market do the pullback and then go right back to the spot where it left off at, that's where I might get in again. But I'm trying to save my intraday trailing drawdown. So take the profits and then wait for the market to go where you want it to go again and get right back in the game again, man. That's exactly what I did. I'm taking my profits, I'm getting out of there and getting right back in, baby. Yes, sir. Fact, strike with the iron hot. Man, eat love and grow. Eat love and pray grow. Yeah, you right, man. Get it while it's hot, man, because you don't know when that time will come again, man. I don't know, so I gotta jump on it, man. Yeah, Nash jumps around too much. It's annoying. Who you telling, man? Appreciate it. Eat love, pray grow. Appreciate it. Yes, sir, man. We did really good today, man. Yeah, I've heard that to do 1-to-1 and get in and get out quick to avoid trailing hitting you too bad, and then trail your stops. Man, perfectly said. Eat love, pray grow. So I'm getting ready to show you my intraday trailing drawdown. Look at this, y'all. Look how much intraday trailing drawdown I still got, and look where the account is at. Beautifully executed, man. We are almost at the buffer. We are almost at getting payouts, and we still got a lot, and I mean a lot, majority of my intraday trailing drawdown, y'all. Look how much intraday trailing drawdown I got by taking those base hits. This is how I trade intraday trailing drawdown with Take Profit Trader, baby. That's how I do it, man. And it seems like it's working for me, so I'm going to keep riding the wave. I'm going to ride that wave, man. I might not know what I'm doing, but I'm going to get that surfboard. I'm going to learn how to ride that wave, baby. Them trials and tribulations going to come. Them hard times in life going to come. But it's how you survive it. What do you do when the problems come? You know what I'm saying? How do you handle it? And so I've had those trials and tribulations come in my life, personal life, and through this, and with that 50K funded Take Profit Trader account before. I've had one of these before, and I did so bad in it. But now I've did trial and error. I've went through a lot of mishaps and what to do better and how to change things. And this is where I'm at, y'all. We have $51,322.50 in this account now, y'all. Yes, sir. We almost there, $700 more, and I'm gonna take my time because I can feel my butt cheeks getting tight. I can feel me getting nervous, and I'm just gonna keep continuing to do what I do. Take them base hits and get out of there and just wait for another setup. I'm gonna tell you what, I really wanna take a trade and hold it until it gets to $700. And I know it's probably not wise for me to do that, so I'm not gonna do that. But there's a part of me that wants to risk it for the biscuit and go forward. But I can't do that, though. But we have a lot of our intraday trailing drawdown, though, man. This was my concern right here. I don't care about nothing else but this. Also, they're making profits, but I want to reserve this. We only $75 away from our full intraday trailing drawdown. And then look how much money we have, y'all. You can't tell me what I'm doing is working. It's not working, because I must be doing something right, baby. It's working. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. Yes, sir. I got you. Eat, love, pray, grow. I'm gonna call you man, that's a long name. I want to shorten it up, man. PG. I'm gonna call you PG, man. How about that? Eat, love, and pray, grow. I'm gonna call you PG, man. That's a long name. Yes, sir. Literally got to get out there and do the work and keep going. Yes, sir. You already know, PG. The 25K is easier than the 50K. I trades. It's funny you say that. Yes, it is. It is very. I plan. Oh, they're going the wrong way, y'all. Look at them. They must not know how to drive on base. They're going down a one way. They'll figure it out. Yeah, you can't do that. But yep, I've had a 25K. I've had a 25K take profit trader funded account. I do plan on getting another one, but I like Trade Day better right now, man. I'm gonna focus on this funded account, and then after I get some payouts, then I might possibly get a take profit trader 50K 25K funded account. But I really like Trade Day, man, because it's end of day. If I want the same type of account as Take Profit Trader, I can just go to Trade Day, man. They have intraday trailing drawdown accounts just like Take Profit Trader, and it's cheaper. It's $32 cheaper with both 50Ks. End of day, I have to pay a little bit more. I have to pay $13 more than a 50K Take Profit Trader. But if I want the same Take Profit Trader 50K intraday trailing drawdown for $102, I can go to Trade Day and get that same account for $69, $70. That's $32. That's a $32 difference and some change. I just have to trade more days with the I just have to trade more days with Trade Day, but it's the same thing. Same thing to me, man. But then I heard the 150K easier. Man, I'm not fooling with no 150K. If I fool with that 150K, my mind, I'm going to be trading minis and I'm going to mess myself up. So that's why I'm staying with micros. I haven't tried the larger accounts. I haven't either, man. That's why I'm trying to learn the smaller accounts. Then I'm going to start trading with the bigger accounts with more size. But I feel like I'm not that good yet. I'm gonna stay where I am right now. I'm gonna learn to trade the small accounts, and then when I get good with that, then I'm gonna scale up. How much did you pay with Trade Day? So with the 50K I trades, shout out to you, because I'm getting ready to show you. Let's look at that. Trade Day. Let's look at Trade Day, man. We're gonna look at Trade Day right quick. Pricing. So check this out. It don't show the price. Alright, hold up. Let me log into my account. It'll show me in my account. Hold up, y'all. Let me log in. I'm finna show you the prices I trades. I'm getting hungry. Never heard of Trade Day. Hey, PG, Trade Day is just like Take Profit Trader, but instead of trading intraday trailing drawdown, they have end of day, and you get daily payouts just like Take Profit Trader, man. Just to sum it up, it's end of day. Do you have to pay monthly fees on Trade Day? It's just like any other prop firm. You just pay that one. You just pay that one fee, and there's no activation fee. There's no activation fee, Suave. Here, I'm getting ready to show y'all Trade Day right quick. Y'all want to know? I'm gonna show y'all. We're gonna do a comparison. Let's do that. Let's go to shoot. Dashboard, maybe? No. Trading room. I don't know where to go to buy new accounts. App subscription. Okay, I'm getting to show y'all. Come on. Alright, y'all. Here we go. I'm showing y'all now. Here we go. So, Trade Day is exactly like Take Profit Trader, y'all. TBZ, you're exactly right, but I'm getting ready to show you. That's fire looking. What you say? That's what? That's fire. Looking it up now. Yes, sir. I got you, PG. Just give me a minute. 90K for 25K intraday or 50K. Yep. All of y'all are exactly right. TBZ and iTrades, you're exactly right. But I'm showing Suave and PG right quick, man. I'm gonna show it to them. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm here to do, man. Help. So this is Trade Day website. Trade Day is exactly like Take Profit Trader. With Trade Day, during the eval stage, you have to trade 5 days. With Take Profit Trader, you have to trade, you can pass it in 2 days. Also, in the funded stage with Take Profit Trader, they go to intraday trailing drawdown. With Trade Day, if you pay a little bit more money, if you pay $13 and some change, if you pay a little bit more money, you can do end of day daily payouts. Trade Day and Take Profit Trader are both the same type of prop firms, just different rules in the eval stage. But the difference is they both get daily payouts, but one is intraday and one is end of day. I like Trade Day better because I'm an end of day type of guy. That's what I normally trade. But as you guys can see, I'm doing good with this intraday, but I would prefer end of day though. So let's look at the prices. So they also, Trade Day has an option where you can do intraday or end of day, just like Take Profit Trader. So if you want an intraday trailing drawdown account with Take Profit Trader, theirs is $102 for a 50K account. You can either do Take Profit Trader or you can come over here and get it cheaper, $69.30. So what's $102 subtract $69.30? Y'all, that's $32.07. You see that? You might as well go with, I don't like to because I haven't gotten a payout with them, but I'm just looking at the price. If your money, you know what I'm saying, is not looking too well right now, you don't have $102 to buy a Take Profit Trader 50K account. Come over here, it's the same account. You save $32.70. You see that? It's the same type of account. It's just with the eval over here in Trade Day, you have to pass in 5 days. With Take Profit Trader, you can pass in 2 days. Does it make a difference? Are you that more of in a rush for 3 days? Your preference. Dude, if the day option, Take Profit Trader need that. I'm not messing with trailing. I feel you, PG. $1,000 drawdown, easy. It's all good. Yeah. Bangers, what's up, bangers? Facts, Sam. Only thing TPT got is if you blow an account, still in profit, you can request. Still love that, but I'm trading Trade Day. Brent Bangers, you're exactly right about that. So I've had a funded account before and I blew it, but they let me still get a small payout. I do like that about Take Profit Trader. But if we're looking at the bigger picture, if we go to let's go to now, that's intraday. This is Trade Day, the same as Take Profit Trader. Now we've seen, I'm only showing 50K funded accounts because that's what I like to trade. I haven't gotten that good to be trading these other accounts, and I ain't got all that money to be doing that. I can't do that right now. When I get more money, then I will. But nevertheless, we're going to focus on 50K account. So Trade Day is $69.30 with Take Profit Trader. Same account, just a lot cheaper, $32.70 cheaper. Let's go to the end of day though. Ooh! If you want to buy an account with Trade Day, use my code PhoneTrader, all caps, baby. I got a coupon code with them now, y'all. Look at this. So with Take Profit Trader, 50K account is $102. Now both of these prop firms, once you get funded, there's no activation fee. They say it all over their thing. That's with the code. But if I let's go back to pricing. Let's go back to this. Look at this, y'all. Trade day, no, that's no consistency when funded. Here we go. Trade day has all their accounts. No activation fee. Don't use this code. Use my code Phone Trader. They have it to where you automatically get the promo code. You automatically get the discount. But erase this and put my code in. You know what I'm saying? Use my code instead. Help your boy out, man. But if we talk about end of day, y'all, we talking about end of day daily payouts. End of day daily payouts, y'all. I'm so glad that Cove Trader, shout out to Cove Trader, shout out to Terry Trades 100, shout out to Zero Day J, shout out to Pine Tree Trader. All these cats introduced me to Trade Day. I just recently found out about Trade Day. I've heard it months ago, but I pulled the trigger finally. And I'm like, bro, they're just like Take Profit Trader. Now let's do the math. If you want a 50K Take Profit Trader account, it's going to cost you $102 even. $102. Now, once you get funded, it goes to intraday. So you have to constantly take your profits. If you don't take your profits, it counts against you. Look at Trade Day's 50K end of day daily payout once funded. $115.50. So let's do the math. Would you rather pay $102 for an intraday trailing drawdown account, or would you rather pay $115.50 for a end of day daily payout? $115.50 subtract 102. That's the difference. Would you rather have intraday trailing drawdown once you're funded, or end of day once you're funded? Both of them are daily payouts. Same thing. It's just one is intraday, one is end of day. I'm willing to pay that extra $13.50 to have a peace of mind for end of day and still get daily payouts. Sign me up. Sign me up. Say less. Only $13.50. Man, I better go out here and ask somebody, do they want their leaves rate to go do Spark? You know what I'm saying? Make me a little quick $15 and add that add that little $13.50 extra in order to have end of day. Man, I love Trade Day now, man. Trade Day is the trading way. But I still love Take Profit Trader. I ain't got nothing against it. It's just what I prefer. I would rather prefer end of day. That's just my personal preference. But if you would like to buy an account, I would suggest, to be honest, if your money low and you really want daily payouts, you don't have, you know what I'm saying, $102, you might got $75. That's it. Hey, every little bit counts. Go buy your Trade Day account for the same thing. Daily payouts. Use my code Phone Trader, baby. All caps. Let me read y'all. Our trade said that's dope. Oh no, we don't want to focus on that. We focusing on this. Oh yeah. I don't fool with static. I don't know what static is. A maximum drawdown of 500. Nah, I'll blow that. Nah, that's not for me. I'd rather just do a Take Profit Trader 25K account instead of static. I don't see no reasoning in that. It is end of day though, but that ain't enough drawdown. Nah, we'll pass on that. Nope, we focusing on that. That's what I bought. That's what I have currently. I did take a trade yesterday. We were up 800 and I lost 1200 today. I pushed it over the edge. It didn't go too well. It's all good, man. So we're down below 50,000 or $49,600. We'll get back to it. I'm trying to go everywhere. Man, Trade Day is better rules and cheaper and bigger account. But Take Profit Trader second place. But yes, the bigger picture, you right for sure. I'm trying to help, man. And trailing stops after buffer, but that always gives me problems. That trade I was down 1,000 yesterday would have blew with intraday. Our trades, that's what I'm talking about, man. You down that much, and that intraday trailing drawdown count against you, man. It hurt too. But hey, you got options. That trade, okay, end of day. I feel you. Man, I like Zero Day J. He a cool dude, man. I'm laying $14 more. Yes, sir. I feel you. 1,000%. Was it trade day that wouldn't let you cash out the other day? No, Suave Beats. That was Funding Ticks. That's who that was the other day. Funding Ticks is just like Top Step. You can only take half of your money, but it kind of Funding Ticks is a lot cheaper though. Funding Ticks is exactly like Top Step. You get but you have to get to a buffer though. That's the only thing about Top Step and Funding Ticks. Say for instance, if I make $500 with Top Step and I've traded for 5 days and got $150, I can request half of that, which is $250. But that ain't enough drawdown. So Funding Ticks, you have to get to a buffer. You have to get the account to $52,000 once you're funded, and then you can request a payout of $1,000, and then the split they get $100. So I officially get $900 for a payout, and then that gives me $1,000 to trade again to try to get another payout once I hit $52,000 again. I like that setup, man. I just lost money today. I lost $545 today. I'm gonna start amping it up, man. I can easily take another $250 trade and get a 1 to 2 end of day though. They have end of day accounts, so I could just set it and forget it and let it hit 500 again, and then I'll be right back where I'm at. But I want to try to push it to get $1,000 for my next trade, man. We'll see. Or another prop firm. Yes, static, it won't move at all. It's not the same as end of day. I don't understand TBZ static. I don't know what that means. Is static end of day? Like, I don't understand what static is. I don't know. What's the purpose of having a static? Of course it doesn't trail. If it is, what is it, end of day? I don't get it. If I want this account, to be honest, I might as well go to Take Profit Trader, man, and just deal with the intraday trailing drawdown. That's not enough. I'm normally risking 500, man. And then you telling me if I have 2 good trades, they put on that. Nah, I'll pass. I can't do that, bro. Not me. So you are saying you have to pay how much monthly? Because I heard Take Profit Trader have no monthly fees. Yeah, they do. They do a profit split. It's either 80 or 90. I don't know. As long as I get to a payout and get money, I'm not worried about no profit split. 80 to 20 is still good. 90 to 10 is even better. So, well, something like that. I'm not for sure. I don't know. Don't get me lying. But if it's an 80-20 split, I'm straight. If it's a 90-10 split, I'm even better. So I don't care about the split. Funding Ticks is good if it costs $38 and no activation fee. Yo, iTrades, that's when I bought that account. I still got that account. I bought that account when it was cheap. When it was, oh my gosh. It turned off the Western hand. Am I still on? Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing. Am I still on? Hey, y'all give me a thumbs up if y'all can hear me, man. Give me a thumbs up if you still hear me. Because my phone had cut the Wi-Fi hotspot off. Okay, thank you. Thank you, TBZ. My phone had randomly just cut the my phone randomly cut off the daggone Wi-Fi hotspot. I don't know what that was about. What you say about Funding Ticks? I don't even know. Oh, funding ticks is good. So I still have that account when it was at $38. I bought it back when they had a sale going on in September. I think it was Labor Day or Memorial Day. It was one of them. And that's the account that I still have. I think it was one of them. I bought two of them. It was one of those. I still have one of those accounts. That's the funded account that I'm trading with now. So we still good. We still got it, man. That's perfect. $38 with no activation fee. Yeah, man. Next time, I'm buying me like 5 of them jokers. I'm gonna get max. When Funding Ticks do another sale like that for $38 with no activation fee, I'm buying max accounts. You better believe it. Even though their setup is like Top Step, I can only grab half of my money, but it's all good. I'm gonna just keep trading. But man, $38 no activation fee when Funding Ticks got a sale going on, man, heck yeah, man. That's a no-brainer. I'm buying max accounts. I think this thing is finna pop off, y'all. We got is news do we got news? That has news happened already? Yeah, news happened already, so I don't think the market is gonna move anymore. It's kind of consolidating. If I was gonna take a trade, I'd take a trade now. Perfect setup. I aim for a small profit. It just bounced off this trend line, y'all. Yep, look at that setup. And I would aim for this high right here. That's a 1 to 2. Beautiful setup. But I ain't got no more accounts to trade. I done lost all. I done took max trades in all my accounts today. That's a beautiful setup. Look, y'all. We got 1 touch. Oh, I might as well delete that. We got 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, and if I move it to make it like that, that's 4 touch. Beautiful setup right there, man. I wish. Well, I can't trade no more today. Had I had another account I could trade, I've been taking this trade right here. This trade will cover these lows right here. We had bounce, 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 and I'm aiming for the top trend line or aiming for the high. Beautiful trade right there. Static is like a real account. It doesn't trail it. It just sounds like end of day with no trail though. TBZ, am I right? The static is like an end of day with no trail. Oh, so once it's gone, it's gone. You blew the account. It's not daily. It's just the overall daily launch live account. Yeah, PG. You right, PG? Yeah. Y'all need to see me. I'm reading the comments on this phone, y'all. Yeah, that static doesn't give you enough drawdown, but static is really the best. It's like a real account. Yeah, you're right. It don't trail you, but that drawdown is horrible. I might as well start a live account if I'm gonna do that. If I only have $500 of drawdown, I might as well put that in a live account. I mean, that's just me. Oh, so that is what you're talking about with fees. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about, Suave. That's exactly what I'm talking about, man. We had a good stream today, man. Very good stream today, y'all. If you're brand new, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure everybody click that notification bell for more videos and bangers. Your boy got coming out, man. We just chilling. I gave my rundown of, you know what I'm saying, my trades and stuff. We had a really good day. Well, man, I hope it goes on sale like that again. I hope so too, man. The only time I seen Funding Ticks or any prop firms doing a huge sale is Black Friday. I'm looking for huge Black Friday sales. You don't think I'm finna save a bunch of my money and I'm finna unload on accounts, man. I'm finna save on a bunch of money. I don't know how much I have, man. But my game plan is to try to make some good spark money and get ready to buy accounts on Black Friday. If Funding Ticks come out with Black Friday sale for $38, no activation fee, I'm loading up. If even Trade Day has some accounts, a good sale, I'ma load up on them. My Funded Futures, I don't know. They kind of do like small promotions. They do like 5%. That ain't nothing. That's just $5, man. From $77 to like $73. Man, that's like, that ain't nothing. That's $4 with a 5%, man. But shout out to My Funded Futures, man. Sure, they gave me a chance to, you know what I'm saying, be on their platform. Always gonna show love to them. They sales don't be that good. Other than that, man, I'm straight, y'all. I really ain't got nothing else. Y'all good? Y'all straight? I think I might be getting ready to end the stream, y'all, man. I done talked about everything. This was a good setup right here. Had I had another account to trade, I've been in this trade right now. We doing nothing but bouncing off, and I think it's going to go to the upside. I just took a trade. I would have taken a trade off this bounce right here. That's a beautiful bounce, man. Bouncing off the trend line. I would probably be almost at break even, to be honest, because it's towards the later in the day. This is a good trade setup right here. It's halfway. I would officially be putting my trade at break even. I'll be at break even about right there. So we'll see whether they play out or not. It's another good trade setup. If I was to get into another trade, this is what I would do. But I ain't got no more accounts to trade though, man. I'm all out. I done maxed out all the accounts today. We'll see what it's gonna do. It's about halfway. Uh-oh, we finna hit TP. TP smacked. I would have been out. Boom. Another good trade set up. There we go. Man, can't make this up, man. Good setup. Had I had another account to trade, I would have took that. That's a good setup, man. Yep. Anybody taking any trades? Had I had another eval or a funded account, I would have took this. I like this. This is a flag going to the downside, kinda, and I'm looking for it to tap one of these bottoms and then shoot up. It's gonna shoot. Hold up. Let me minimize this. I'm looking for one of these bounces to finally shoot up and pass up out of all this consolidation. Dang, I wish I had another funded account or another account, man. Man, that would have been a nice setup. Well, it's all good, man. Well, guys, I don't have nothing else, man. I'm get ready to dip, y'all. Get ready to eat me some crackers and go give me something to drink, man. I'm hungry, man. Anybody got any other questions? Vince! Oh, man, I didn't see that. What's up, Vince? Man, long time no see, Vince. You still in here, brother? I did not see your comment. Man, what's up, Vince? I thought that was somebody else, man. Vince, what's up, brother? Man, hopefully you still here, man. Sorry I missed your comment, man. I didn't see that. Dang, Vince. My bad, brother. You still here, Vince? Dang, I did not see that, man. What's up, man? Long time no see. Vince in the building. I thought that was somebody else. Yeah, man, what's up, Vince? Good to see you, brother. Yes, sir. My brother in here, man. What it do? Long time no see. I've been good, man. We will see. Are we going to get over that hump? Which I believe we are. We are. I'm going to stop saying whether we are. We are going to get over there. I just need to make $700 more, and anything after that, we requesting a payout. We'll see. I just had another trade idea. As soon as I turned to my charts, I seen the market was right here. We currently had just came off of bounce 1, bounce 2, bounce 3, bounce 4, bounce 5, bounce, biggie, bounce, 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 biggie, bounce. I was just looking for a bounce off this little trend line, bottom trend line, aiming for a 1-to-1 to go to touch the top trend line. Easy 1-to-1 right there. I appreciate it, Vince. Thank you, brother. Thank you for tuning in, man. Hey, if you guys don't mind, if you haven't liked the video, make sure you like the video. If you're brand new, subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell for videos and bangers your boy quarter phone trader got coming out. Yes, sir. Go and hit that like button for me, y'all. Greatly appreciate it. Suave said, so you can use TradingView with Trade Day. Yes, sir. Any prop firm that trades with Tradervate, you have the option to go into the settings and switch it. You can go into the settings and pair it with TradingView. That's any prop firm, Suave. Any prop firm that has Tradervate, you can trade TradingView with them. But you'll have to go into the settings though. Like this. I'm gonna show you. Let's go into the settings. Let me make sure. Hold on. I'm going to mute my screen. Make sure you don't see nothing. Hold up right quick. Hold up. Okay, I got you. So, Suave, you do this. Suave, do this right here. So, this is my take profit. Oh, come on, man. So, this is my take profit trader funded account. My bad. Sorry. I pressed the wrong button, y'all. I pressed the wrong button. My bad, y'all. Sorry about that. Alright, so Suave, I'm getting ready to show you. So, once you log into Tradervate, if the prop firm has a Tradervate account, you go over here to this little icon right here, and you click on Accounts. Then you go to Add-ons at the bottom. And then you can see right here that it's connected to TradingView. You see that? Give me a thumbs up, Suave, if you got it, man. Give me a thumbs up. That's how you do all your accounts. If they're through Tradervate, though, they have to be through Tradervate. I don't know about no Quant Tower, no Project X, or none of that. I don't know nothing about none of that. CJ in the building. What's going on, CJ? What it do, my guy? What's good? What's happening? What it do, my brother from another mother? What's up, man? Oh, we did good today, CJ. You see where we at, baby? Yes, sir. Suave, if you got that, give me a thumbs up, man. Thanks for showing that for me. Yes, sir. I got you, Suave. There you go, man. You can do all your accounts like that, man. Just make sure they're on TradingView. That's what's up, man. Well, y'all, I don't know what else to say. I done showed y'all everything, man. I done showed you all my trades. I done showed you how I trade the intraday trailing drawdown, man. I done did everything, y'all. One Stop Trader, what's going on, brother? What it do, man? One of the goats is here, man. What's up? Accounts looking good? Yeah, all of just one. Let me get out of that. So here's my funding ticks funded account. We lost $545.80, so we pretty much have the account at break even. Hey, it's all good. At least we break even. That's the funding ticks funded account. This is the straight to funded 25K Traderfy account. We lost $315.80 in this account. We're still above break even. I'm not complaining about that. It's all good. I'm still cool about that. The Take Profit Trader funded account, we made $792 today. I took 4 trades today in order to give me that amount. All of them base hits, $250 trades, man. Last night trade was good. 2 London trades was good. And the 4th trade was 2 break evens. And it finally put me over at this amount right here, y'all. Well, One Stop Trader. That's where I'm at, baby. I'm only $700 away from a daily payout, man. Well, anything after that, it'll be a daily payout. And look at our trailing drawdown. That's what I was so worried about. We still got a lot. Majority, 90% of our trailing drawdown, baby. Yes, sir. Suave says, I'm with Tradeovate. Yes, sir. That's good, man. Accounts looking good. Yes, sir. That's where I'm at, One Stop Trader. We up. That's how we move. You already know, y'all. I'm trying to do my best, man. But hey, I'm down. I'm down in my 50K funded account. It's all good. I'm down in my straight to funded 25K Tradeify account. It's all good. We are up in our Take Profit Trader 50K funded account today. I tried to push this joker over today. I've never made this much in an intraday trailing drawdown account. I've never made that much, but you know how you have those accounts that are on fire and you just want to ride the wave while it's hot, because you'll never know, man. You might go on the losing streak. So I tried to ride that wave today, man. I tried to make as much as I could. I rolled that wave today. Y'all know how it is, man. You just never know. So I tried to ride. I kept adding firewood to the fire, putting gasoline on it. I wanted to keep feeding it. But yeah, man, it's almost 2 o'clock, y'all. Man, I greatly appreciate y'all joining the stream, man. Thank you for chilling with your boy. If you haven't, make sure you like that video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you're brand new, click that notification bell, y'all. Also, if you guys want to buy any accounts with Trade Day or funding ticks, use my code Phone Trader, all caps. If you want to buy any accounts with them, I will greatly appreciate it. I do get a little commission fee off of it. Commission fee to buy more accounts and try to get more payouts with it, to do more giveaways. That is my game plan, y'all, man. Is to just keep scaling up with this, man. Also be looking for a Discord. I've talked about it before. The Discord that I'm gonna have will be a small fee, paid prescription for my Discord. I've made the decision that I can't get a lot of the affiliate links. I can't get an affiliate link with Take Profit Trader. They deny me. My Fender Futures deny me. Tradeify deny me. I haven't heard nothing back from them. I only have 2 affiliate link codes. So in order to scale up, I notice a lot of these traders, they either have a free Discord and getting a lot of affiliate money paid, or they have a paid subscription for Discord but don't have affiliate links. That's the route I'm probably gonna take, man. It is what it is. Hopefully you guys still support your boy. I'm just trying to scale up. I plan on doing a lot bigger things in my Discord. I plan on doing crazy giveaways in my Discord. When it's all said and done, I'm gonna be doing giveaways, and man, when I really make it, I'm gonna be doing card giveaways in my Discord, man. I have a game plan. I have a mindset of what I want to do. We're gonna be praying. I'm gonna do like morning prayers with everybody, man. You know what I'm saying? To keep everybody head straight. Also be praying for y'all families. You know what I'm saying? For you to have the right mindset when you come into the charts. I plan on doing a bunch of crazy stuff in this Discord, man. It gives you, since you're paying for my Discord, you have more perks than regular YouTube people. People who watch me on YouTube might not get as many giveaways as you guys do in Discord. It's just the decision that I'm making, man. I'm trying to scale up, man. And the only way to scale up is to do stuff like that. I told you guys from day one, I plan on changing my name, not right now, to Corey, the cell phone entrepreneur. I'm just trying to show guys how to make money over the internet and just give it from my point of view, man. I'm a jack of all trades, man. I can do it all. Just trying to show cats how to do it, how to make it, you know what I'm saying, how to scale up. And hopefully you guys approve of it. If not, we might have a problem. I'm just trying, y'all. I'm trying to make it, man. But that's going to do it for me, y'all. I greatly appreciate you guys joining the stream. And you know what we're going to do, y'all? We're going to officially say it now. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click that notification bell for more videos of bangers. Corey the Phone Trader got coming out, baby. Yes, sir, man. If you want to buy a trade day or a funding ticks account, use my code Phone Trader, all caps for the coupon code. It already comes with a coupon code and it already comes with a discount. Erase their coupon code and put mine in. You know what I'm saying? Help your boy out. I get a small commission off of it. Greatly appreciate it. I ain't got nothing else, y'all. It's time for me to go, man. It's time for me to clock out. I'm getting ready to dip out of here. You know the motto after every video, y'all. In 3, 2, 1. I holla. Peace out, baby. We out of here like hot fish grease, y'all. Love y'all. Peace, blessings, man. I'll see y'all later. We out of here. Peace.
Work hard. Work hard. Work hard. Work hard. Work hard. Work hard. Work hard.
I'm in the zone. I'm focused. I'm about to light it up, switch. Yeah, I'm the coldest. When I fall down, I get back up. I'm putting in that work. I'm stirring it up. I'm about to step and carry hit with you with the sauce. You better turn the heat on and put it on defrost. Can't nothing hold me back. God is on my side. I'm about to cross you up. I'm finna make it slide. It's time to put in the work. Work hard. Guess what? I never give up. Work hard. I keep pushing, pressing. Work hard. Guess what? God got a plan for me. Work hard. It's time to put in the work. Work hard. Guess what? I never give up. Work hard. I keep pushing, pressing. Work hard. Guess what? God got a plan for me. Work hard. God made me different. That's why I stand out. I'm over here full price and not a discount. You better ask somebody. I don't play games. To all my haters, let me explain. I got a praying family, wishing me the best. I know you're here short term, you are my test. I'm about to put the work in and prove you wrong. Here I come, finna give you the sauce, now carry on. It's time to put in the work. Work hard. Guess what? I never give up. Work hard. I keep pushing, pressing. Work hard. Guess what? God got a plan for me. Work hard. It's time to put in the work. Work hard. Guess what? I never give up. Work hard. I keep pushing, pressing. Work hard. Guess what? God got a plan for me. Work